part 3. Like I said, part 3. Day 3. Yes, it's day 3 of part 3. Took a long time for my video to load up. And like always, sorted out different sizes, different colors, different bricks. And also, remember what I said about the stickers? That you can use tweezers? I forgot to mention that you can use your fingertips to guide the tweezers exactly where to go. And then, starting off from, oh boy, starting off from this. Yes, we're starting off from what we built on part 2. And yeah, I figured to let Arnold have his fun with this one. Really? You gonna let me have my fun? Yes, Arnold, I'm gonna let you have your fun. Yay! Now, it kind of looks kind of dark right now. That's because you came back from the movies. I saw the Ghostbusters. Yes, I saw the Ghostbusters, and let me tell you, it was awesome. I am going to be doing like a little recording. Oh, well, not like this, another video. Well, I'm going to be talking about the Ghostbusters movie and what my thoughts about it. I had a long thought and realized something. I think I figured out the pattern of the characters. Who's Egon? Who's Child? Who's Fakeman's child? Who's Ray's child? And yeah, I figured it out. Oh, come on. So yeah, be prepared to see that. Now I was thinking of doing it in stop motion. But unfortunately, yeah, I gotta do this for you guys. Whoever's going to watch this video, please watch it. There it is. It's kind of hard to remember where's the pieces. Shoulders really hurt. Maybe I shouldn't watch that Turning Tail video. And I'm like, oh yeah. Oh, I love doing Legos. Building is my skills. I could get this set done fast if I wasn't recording. So yeah. Oh. Yeah, I could get this set done really fast if I wasn't recording. But hey, this is a chance for me to be a top YouTuber. We'll just go to the bottom. And then we get as many subscribers. Or, let's see. Or, not get any at all subscribers. Yeah. Come on, subscribe to him. He's an awesome, funny guy. Everybody loves him. And not everybody. True. But you know how to be nice. Away from that now. And sorry. Seriously? You really had to do that? You're not H2O delirious. Good point. I'm not him. I'm better than him. Yes. And when he means better, he means worse. Whose side are you on? I'm on the side that can win a team, can win on a game. So you're saying that you're on the side that can win? Yes. I can win. No. By the way, you pretty much suck. Alright. Yes. Do you want to stay or not? Stay here, yes. So, I'm sorry. Miniature size Lego Arnold is sorry. Okay, like I was saying about the stickers. You can get tweezers, a type of tweezers, actually, and use your thumb and like this, and then carefully. Oh, gee. Yeah, you might mess up. There we go. Well, that worked. Now it's Hey, you always mess up. Sorry, run. I'm the side that is Arnold, Lego Arnold. Whoever have a Lego Arnold with them right now, look at it. Look at it. You never let it have a chance. Arnold. I'm the only one that have a Lego Arnold. Oh, right. And you got my shirt. Well, this might be freakily short, so I'd like to make it a bit longer. Oh, come on. Longer videos meaning fudge. Well, there goes my time. Oh, wait. I'm a different person. Well, there he goes. Good job, Arnold. What did I do? You just made him leave. Oh. You're horrible at this. That's why he needs tweezers. Who are you anyways? Doesn't even matter who I am. Good point. I still got my guns. Oh. Hey, give me back my guns. Even though I got some guns right here. Nyang. Yeah, just take away. No, but I'm just going to stop talking. Thank you. And yeah, I'm back. Thank you, whoever just... Yeah, thank you. Okay, stay focused. I gotta stay focused. Broken window glass. I think I'm going to keep on messing up because this is my first time. Oh, come on. Okay, if it... Yeah, that happens. Accidents happen. And more accidents happen. Okay. Okay. That's... This guy is losing his turf. Okay. There we go. There we go. You see what happens? Mistakes happen, but I always fix my mistakes. That was book 1. And gotta put these in here. And part 4 will be in book 2. So prepare yourselves. There we go, Velma! Yay! Now then, as I promised, Anna will be in here. Yes, I only found all my guns. So here I go. Attention creature that's in there. You're under arrest. Now come out with your hands up. I think I scared her away. No. Take this. Get back here. Well, that was Arnold, everyone. Lego Arnold. Yes. And the voices does Lego Arnold is me, Reaper X. Yes, I can do his voice quite well. And blah 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 this and blah 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 that. See you guys in the next part. Hopefully this doesn't take long.